getting lots of rain here. Well, hello, precious. Yeah, if you're getting a little noisy in here with all that rain and everything, and thunder and everything, you're a good girl. You want to come inside? You come inside if you want to. I know you like your patio. You're a good girl. Go away and leave you alone. Let's do what you want. Yeah, looks like you might be coming in anyway. Yeah, really noisy and scary out there.
Mocha's not being disturbed.
No, I don't think he's ever disturbed. He's over here just chilling out. That's old Mocha. Yeah, he'll just jump up in my lap and get her some lap time. Yeah. Staying here where it's nice and safe and warm and dry.